Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the other storage on your Android or Samsung phone. Now on your phone, first we're going to swipe up and we need to get to your Files app. So it's called My Files here in yellow. So just swipe around and navigate it. If you don't see it, just tap on search and search for it. Now within here, we need to make sure that we've enabled hidden files. So at the top right, tap on those three dots and then tap on settings for your files. And you can see midway down here, it says show hidden system files. Make sure to turn this on. This will essentially allow us to be able to see all of those hidden files that we now need to delete. And now after you've done that, let's hop out of here because next we're going to go into your settings. So swipe up and tap on the settings icon. And now within the settings, all we need to do is scroll down. We're looking for, it's usually called device care, but essentially it's going to include storage. So again, if you don't see it, just tap on the search button at the top right and search for storage. Now, once we tap on that, you'll be able to see here is my storage. And I've used 47 gigs of 128 gigs. Now, let's tap on that and go through the process of clearing this. The easiest way to do it is to tap on Show More here. And of course, you can go through and delete images, audio files, installation files, etc. However, you'll be able to see here Other Files 2.75 gigabytes. Let's tap on that. And now what we're going to first look at is invisible backups. In my case, I don't have any, but if you do have them, I would recommend deleting them. You don't need any of the invisible backups. Essentially, these are usually failed backups. So go to pending files also, and you can go through here and delete out all of these. You can see mine is not a lot, 1.52 gigabytes. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to delete these. Sometimes you can tap on it and you can hit details, but it doesn't allow you to delete them. So try to delete them if you can. And then, well, let's go back to other files and then go to uncategorized. And you can see all of the files in here. Essentially go through and delete any of these if you're able to delete them. Sometimes you can tap on it like the backups and it won't let you delete it. Now, after you've gone through this process, let's hop out here and we're going to go through a process where we're going to clear out all of the cache, but we need to start your phone in essentially recovery mode. So to be able to do that, we're going to swipe down from the top right and then swipe down again and tap on the power icon. And then we're just going to turn your phone off completely. Now, after we've turned your phone off, we're going to restart it, but we're not going to restart it in the normal mode. We're going to restart it in the recovery mode. So to do that, we're going to press and hold the power and volume up at the same time. So if I press and hold those at the same time, you'll be able to see it will restart my Samsung Galaxy, but it won't restart it normally. You'll be able to see it gives me a different menu on here. It says Android Recovery, and essentially what you're going to look and go down is to see if there's an option that allows you to wipe or clear the cache partition. So for whatever reason, it doesn't give me that option on here. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It seems to be a glitch on Android, but if it allows you to wipe the cache partition, you're going to essentially clear that cache partition. It doesn't hurt anything. Just go ahead and clear it and then restart your phone. From here, all you need to do is select with the volume up and down, reboot system now, and then press the power button, and it will just restart it normally, and you will have cleared out a lot of that other data that is taking up space on your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.